Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by today. So in today's video I'm making Nigerian buns, and I'm using carrot as one of the recipes for these buns. In other words, we are making carrot buns. Yay. So let's get started. And here is the carrot we'll be using. I have about 1 cup of carrot here, which I've cleaned, washed, and they cut into chunks because I'll be blending it. And then I have some all-purpose flour here. I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'll be adding it other ingredients. I'm adding here half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of sugar, add as you want, a tablespoon of baking powder, and the nutmeg. I don't have the powdered one, that's why I'm using this. And after that, I'll mix everything together. After mixing that, I'll then add 2 tablespoons of butter. You can use margarine also. That very well. I'll then create a hole in the center and bring in the blended carrots. And here we have the carrots. I'll pour that in and also add a cup of milk. You can use powdered milk and then use a cup of water. I will then mix in the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients properly well. I have other delicious recipes for buns also in my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. You can check them out. I believe you also love them. Now I'm done mixing everything well. I'll leave it to rest for about 10 minutes while I heat up the oil for frying. And once the oil heats up, I start frying the buns. I'm using my hand here. You can use your hand, or you can also use spoon or anything comfortable for you. You also need to dip your hand in water, or if you're using spoon, dip it in water so it will not be too sticky. Remember, the heat should not be too much. That's, the oil should not be too hot, so it will not get burnt without frying inside. And as it fries, you keep flipping or turning it around so that they will fry on both sides. You know, this can be stubborn sometimes, so keep turning it. If today is your first time of tuning into my channel, you are very highly welcomed. Thank you for coming. I hope you subscribe. And to my old subscribers, may God continue to bless you. To my new subscribers, may God continue to bless you also. Please give me a thumbs up and also share the video at the end of the video. And now our buns is well fried. You can see the golden color in that orange or carrot color. I don't know how to describe it, but it looks so beautiful. And then we take it out from the oil. Fry it in the same process until I've fried the whole buns batter. Remember to reduce your heat if the oil becomes too hot. And here we have our delicious carrot buns. Look at how beautiful the color is. It is beautiful outside and beautiful inside. And the taste is so delicious. I love this. I hope you give it a try. You will also love it. It is so delicious. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share the video to your friends, family, and community. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your love. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Bye bye. God bless you all. Bye.